put the numbers in the correct order. We see here a lot of numbers and a number line at the top. So this number line starts with 0, and then we have 250, 500, 750, and ending with 1000. Now, in between these numbers, you see little lines, and each line represents 50. So it goes 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, and as you can see, 250. So just remember each little line is 50. Alright, so what we're going to do is put these numbers on the line. So let's read them. 880, 760, 90, 750, and 280. So we need to figure out where these numbers lie on the number line before we can put them in order. So let's begin with 880. Here is 750. So 50 more would be 800, and then 850, and then this would be 900, but it's 880, so it'd be a little less than that. So let's say it's right about here. So we'll draw a blue line connecting it to the 880. Alright, the 760. So we see 750 right here, so this would be about 760. Okay, for the 90, so we have 0, 50, 100. So a little bit before the 100 would be the 90 with the orange line. So 750, which is pretty easy, is right there. So we can do that one precisely. And 280, so 250, 300, so a little bit before that. So right about here would be 280 with the purple line. Okay, so now we can easily find out the order. So the first one is 90. It is the smallest number. And then we have 280. Next is 750. Right next to that was the 760. And finally, the biggest number is 880. All right, great work. So let's go ahead and try another problem. Okay, so now we see different numbers: 550, 540, 450, 300, and 370. So let's begin finding these numbers on the number line. So 500 and then 550 is right here. Okay, so 540 would be before that, right? Just a little bit, 10 less. 450, there's 500, 450 right there. So we can be precise again with this pink line for 450. Okay, 250 and 300, and now 370. Be just a little bit after it. Okay, so now let's put them in order. So the smallest number we have is with the orange line that leads to 300. So 300 is the smallest. The next number would be following the pink line for 370. The next number would be with the light pink line that follows to 450. Next to that, 540. And finally, our biggest number is 550. Okay, now we see the number 900, 460, 750, 220, and 360. So let's start with the 900. So here's 1,000, 950, 900 right here. So we'll draw it with a blue line. Okay, now there's 500, 450, so just after the 450 would be the 460. Okay, and 750 is right here with the line. 220 would be 250, and then a little bit after that, between the 200 and 250. And finally, 360. So 250, 300, 350, and a little bit after that would be 360. Okay, so which number is the closest? Yes, 220 is the smallest number. And then we have 360. Next, we have 460. Then it comes 750. And our biggest number is 900. So great work learning about number order, and I hope to see you again soon.